If you're wondering how to get a burnt smell out of your microwave, well, stay tuned today because we are getting this burnt smell out of this microwave really quickly. Have you ever microwaved bacon or you burnt something in the microwave and your whole house smells disgusting? What if that microwave smells gross as well? Well, today I'm going to show you some quick and easy ways to get rid of it. First, you're gonna need some real lemon juice. Now, you can get this concentrate or you could also get some fresh lemons, which works just as well. You're also gonna need some white distilled vinegar. Now, don't get scared because it is vinegar and it might smell. This thing is amazing for getting smells out. Now, if you don't have white distilled vinegar, you can also use apple cider vinegar as well, even with the mother. So this works just as well. Now my microwave is dirty, so this trick is going to also help dissolve some of the crumbs or anything that's sticky or caked on up at the top as well. All you're gonna need is a cup, and we're gonna pour some lemon juice in here. Lemon juice smells so nice, it is so refreshing and has such a good clean smell and fresh scent. I love it. Now we're gonna pour some white distilled vinegar in it. Not too much, we want it just a little bit. I prefer to have more lemon than vinegar in my cup. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of water in here. And then we're just gonna put this into the microwave. And let's go ahead and cook it for, well, not cook it, but let's go ahead and put 2 minutes on the timer. And what this is going to do is going to steam. Steam is gonna come up from those lemon and the vinegar, and it's gonna help dissolve the smell. All right, so as you can see, it has some moisture right here, and that's exactly what we are looking for. What you can do is remove that cup, and the next thing you want to do is take a microfiber cloth and go ahead and just wipe all of this down. The microwave is now all clean. I wiped it all down. Now, if you're still having those smells, you know, that especially like that bacon burnt smell, so as you can see, I've done that a couple of times, you can put your cup back in and you can run it again one more time. Now you can keep doing this until your microwave smells better. It's not gonna hurt it. What happens with that vinegar really helps absorbs the odor and that smell, and then the lemon is there just to give it a nice clean scent. Now, if you're wondering how to get stinky smells out of your dishwasher, click on the link right here. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.